Hi, it's Chef Mike, and I'm here with your chef tip of the day. Today, I'm going to talk about carbonating fruit. You can really carbonate any fruit, as long as it has a lot of water content. That's the most important thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some dry ice, which is essentially just solid CO2 gas. When it melts, it's just the gas returning to its natural state. So what we're going to do is we're going to trap that gas inside of this container. I'm going to put on some gloves on for my hand. I'm going to put my dry ice in a clean kitchen towel. Alright, so I'm wrapping up my dry ice in the towel. And we just got this at the local grocery store. You can really find it at your neighborhood grocery store. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it inside the container. So the amount of dry ice needed depends on the size of the container, not the amount of fruit. The amount of fruit is totally irrelevant. It's really the size of the container and the volume of the container that matters. The bigger your container, the more ice you need. We have 1 pound. For a rather large container, I found that 1 pound will do like a medium-sized cooler pretty easily. And now we're going to plastic wrap it. We're going to plastic wrap it really tight. You can even tape it. So you put this in your refrigerator. So we're going to open up our fizzy strawberries, and hopefully overnight they have carbonated, and all of that CO2 is inside of the water inside of the strawberry. So we'll see how we did. So unfortunately it's not really going to look that different, but it's certainly going to taste different. So what you're going to find is the strawberry is going to be really nice and almost pearlescent. And it's going to kind of taste like a strawberry soda. So that's how to carbonate fruit. That's your chef tip of the day.